In this aid, we will voice our kind of own and market's perspective on Lane future while examining the connection cost gauge for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to by and large believe this and any sort of other forecast tentatively, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like connection in an unpretentious manner. Presently, how about we head into it, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking? Before we dig profound into the connection value expectation and answer questions in the event that Lane is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Lane sort of succeed or really fizzle, or for what reason will connection value rise or drop, we should rapidly especially toss a look at what Lane truly is and its to-date history. Lane value expectation for the following 90 days in a genuinely enormous manner. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin sort of has explicitly drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of a more extensive market drops influenced by seething expansion, and US took care of rate expansions in an unpretentious manner. Financial backers most certainly are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional kind of stable business sectors. Crypto really is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the fundamentally second piece of the year, which is genuinely huge. This is in a real sense reflected in our 2022 expectations in an unobtrusive way. At the present time, Bitcoin basically has to find a sort of nearby base before we can move the other way and certainly alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We in a real sense have seen this situation many truly times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the in every practical sense, next 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2 in a significant manner. We in a real sense expect whales and other greater players in the market to especially wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and basic evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab, which is genuinely critical. October 1, 2022 in a very significant manner. Plus 6.67%, $34.96, which basically is very critical. October 2, 2022. Plus 6.70%, $34.97, or so they by and large thought. October 3, 2022. Plus 4.91%, $34.39 in an unobtrusive manner. October 4, 2022, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Minus 1.93%, $32.14. October 5, 2022. Plus 3.95%, $34.07. October 6, 2022 in a significant manner. Plus 3.57%, $33.95. October 7, 2022, which is genuinely critical. Plus 1.54%, $33.28, which is very huge. Connect Value Forecast 2022. Most of specialists by and large concur that this for the most part bear market will endure essentially for the principal quarter of 2022 preceding. We for the most part see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions, which is genuinely critical. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds appropriately. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 13.94%, $28.21. 2022 November minus 22.96%, $25.25. 2022 December minus 22.18%, $25.51. 2023 Jan in an unpretentious manner. minus 18.07%, $26.85. 2023 February minus 11.30%, $29.07. 2023 Blemish minus 11.27%, $29.08. 2023 April in an especially large manner minus 4.10%, $31.44. 2023 May minus 0.73%, $32.54. 2023 June, or so they thought, plus 7.50%, $35.24. 2023 July in a really significant manner, plus 12.03%, $36.72. 2023 August, or so they for the most part thought, plus 21.50%, $39.83. 2023 September plus 22.40%, $40.12. Lane value expectation 2025, in spite of mainstream thinking. Our expectation model sees Lane coming to $68.84 in 2025. What will Lane be especially worth in 5 years in an all things considered large way? The cost of Lane in 5 years could especially lie around $61.39, or so they thought. Connect value forecast 2030 to 2040. What connection will be worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees connection coming to $172.09 in 2030. What connection will fundamentally be worth in 2040? Our determining model sees connection coming to $344.18 in 2040. Will connection in a real sense supplant, by and large outperform, in a real sense overwhelm Bitcoin? No, connection won't in a real sense supplant or surpass BTC. Could connection reach $1,000? Indeed, connection could reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2025. Is connection certainly worth purchasing, which is genuinely huge? We are backers of reasonably hazardous money management. In a real sense, put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bin of especially enormous cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with tremendous potential gain incredibly. Thus, in this unique circumstance, connection in a real sense is somewhat worth purchasing. Is connection an especially wise speculation, which in every way that really matters, is very huge? Connect is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous interest in a significant way. It truly does for the most part have commonly higher likelihood of going up than down in view of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, lovely dynamic local area and a strong group behind it. What amount will connection truly be worth? For the moment